Bokopina. 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 We see Bokopina. We see Bokopina. Bokopina. We see Bokopina. Jones have thugs and the De La Vega thugs. Stop, bang, stop, man, them.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you the Vybz Kartel's Punch. Yeah, man, I ate here on Morris Time Cooking It. Vybz Kartel recently released a song called and that song has been getting heavy rotations, right? So I decided that, okay, he gave me a few ingredients, so why not just add a few to it and do a collaborative effort and make an official Vybz Kartel's Punch. Thumbs up if you don't want to see the punch. This is a collaborative effort of Morris Time Cooking with the idea from Vybz Kartel. So big up Kartel. Alright, so the first thing you want is a blender, and ensure that the blender that you have is big enough to hold the amount of ingredients that will be needed for this recipe. And the first thing you want to add is Guinness. You can get the one in the glass bottle or the one here in the can. So I'll leave in the description box down below the right measurement for this recipe. Vanilla extract. Going in with 4 ice cubes. And the reason why I'm using the ice cubes, I want to drink it instantly. If you don't want to drink it right away, you can also chill it in your fridge.
Get the oats, get the
Hold on, teacher, your ingredients so added. I'm going to put mine first. Going in some condensed milk. To that I'm going to add some salt. Now what the salt does is to help to balance out the sweetness of the condensed. When you have the right portion of salt to sugar, you get that nice smooth taste. And also to help with the peanuts that I'm going to be adding later on, so that you don't have an upset stomach, because a lot of people can't eat raw peanuts like that, and this recipe calls for raw peanuts. Then of course, the teacher I will teach you the rest of the recipe from here onwards.
Get the oats, get the Supligen, get the nuts, get the nutmeg.
Then we're gonna
blend it up
for about 3 to 4 minutes or until smooth. And there you have it, Vybz Kartel's Punch, here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. Go and big up on yourself and
turn it on your head. Get a gal and just go get your children. Get a gal and just go get your children.